Good morning. This is Mrs. Merrill, and today I wanted to explain to you what is expected in terms of work for your virtual day for March the 2nd, 2022. So there are three things that you need to work on today. The first, you need to complete the Focus Bell Ringer on Google Classroom in the Focus section. Please make sure you put this on paper and show all your work. The second thing you need to do is to complete the practice test, add, subtract, multiply, and divide polynomials. I gave that to you today in class, and you'll need to complete that and show all your work. And then the third thing you need to do is complete the polynomial farm puzzle. This sheet was stapled to the practice test that I gave to you in class today. And so you've got the two papers to work on. You've got the practice test to do, and then you'll need to do the farm puzzle, which is just adding and subtracting polynomials, and have that done, please, for me on Thursday. So three things: focus, practice test, and the polynomial farm puzzle. I hope you have a great day. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye.